This video is for you if you're a new creator, you're just starting up on YouTube. Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, okay? If you just created your channel, you're just starting up, basically you don't know how to do your settings on your YouTube studio, and you don't even have a laptop. Okay, I want you to know that it is actually very possible for you to set up all the settings on your YouTube studio. A lot of persons start YouTube channel and don't even have their settings in order. And that is why you tend to make videos every now and then, and your videos are not even getting visibility. Like nobody's literally seeing your video, and it's as if you are confused. Baby girl, it's because you have actually not done a lot of settings that you're actually supposed to do on your channel. Yes, YouTube is actually a search engine, and your videos literally need to be searchable, need to be well optimized for people to get to see you, for people to get to see your channel and whatever you're posting. You've just created your channel and you need to get started with posting, right? So the first thing you need to do, first of all, is to go to your studio and do some settings. If you've not done these settings, there's no way your videos are going to rank. There's no way your videos are going to be visible. Okay, so first of all, you need to go to your YouTube studio and set it up. And unfortunately, you need to have a laptop for you to do all of those settings I'm going to talk about right now. But then there's actually a good news, because I'm going to teach you in this video how you can actually access your YouTube desktop version in your mobile phone. And with that desktop version, all the things that are supposed to appear on your laptop are going to show, so you can actually set up your YouTube channel and start uploading already. Okay, so by default, YouTube actually has some settings you need to put in place for your videos to go viral, for your videos to get visibility, not just go viral. Anyone starting on YouTube just want their videos to get visibility, you want people to see your videos, and in the long run, you can then start thinking of going viral. But of course, don't get me wrong, your first video on YouTube can actually go viral. That is if you set it up very well. And that's what I'm going to teach you right now in this video. So if this is what you love to watch, do want to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell, because in this channel, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to grow your channel. So without wasting your time, I'm going to take you over to my screen so I can actually show you what I am talking about. Remember, this video is very, very important because you need to set up your settings for you to start getting visibility on YouTube. All those default settings just need to be in place, and I'm going to explain them one after the other. So let's go over to my screen. So first of all, I clicked on my Chrome browser. Please remember you're going through your Chrome browser, not any other browser. But if you're using an iPhone, you can go through your Safari browser. But if you are using Android, you go through your Chrome browser and type in YouTube dashboard. Okay, so you can see I've typed in YouTube dashboard and it has even led me straight to YouTube dashboard. I'm just going to tap on it. So once I tap on it, you're going to see where it's going to land me to. It's going to land me to exactly what I'll be seeing on my laptop. Okay, if you don't go through this process, you're not going to get to this place. So it will automatically bring you to this place. So once you log in, scroll up here and tap on this image above here. So the essence of tapping there is to ensure that the email you are using is the one that is associated to your YouTube channel. If it's not the one that associated to your YouTube channel, you just click on switch account, and then choose the one you want to work with. So I'm just going to come here and choose the one I want to work with. So I'll choose this one. Okay, so you can see it has brought me to my YouTube studio. Okay, tap on continue. Now, what do you want to do in this place? This place is actually giving you an opportunity to set your channel. As a new creator, before you start uploading videos, you're expected to set your channel, do some basic settings on your channel, because these are the things that will push your videos and make your channel to be algorithm friendly. Okay, so this is normally you can access this with your smartphone, but with these steps, you can actually access it. Okay, so if you come here, you're going to see all of these icons, okay? And all these icons, this is the monetization icon. Tap on it, you're going to see what all this icon is. So this first one is your analytics. It can tell you the number of views you've gotten for a particular set of time. Okay. So if you come to content here, you can see this is what is here. This is what is here. Then you can see audience, you can see the trends. Remember, we're here for basic settings, okay? Tap on the second one. So this is your community. This is where all your comments will be showing. If this C here should be copyrights. Okay. So this is copyrights. My channel, this channel obviously do not have a copyright. So each time you make a video and then you use a content you're not supposed to use, if you come here, you're going to see a copyright. And then you get the opportunity to correct it, because YouTube is also going to give you a prompt on how to work on your copyright issue. But please ensure you don't attract any copyright on your channel, because it's very dangerous. So if you come to, let's come down here and see what is here. Okay, now, so this is, you can see where I clicked. If you come here, you're going to see basic settings, okay? So in this place, you can tap to upload your banner, your channel banner. Channel banner is what shows when people click on your channel, apart from your profile picture here. So this is my profile picture, and then this is my channel banner. Okay, you can tap here to change your profile picture. After you must have designed your banner on Canva, you come here to upload it, following the steps I showed you. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you can change any setting you want to change here. So every YouTube channel actually has a default setting. Okay, so this is your channel. This is my channel default setting. You come here, talk about what your channel is all about. Talk about input the keywords that you want to rank for. For instance, if your channel is about how to make money online, input keywords, write about what your channel is all about here. Then input keywords like how to make money online, side hustle, online hustle, investment platforms that pays, blah, 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 all of those things. Just input everything in your description box here. If you have links to your social media platforms, you can put it there. So this is where you also get your channel URL. Okay, you can see all my connections. I've already imputed all of this. Okay. So yes, customization. Okay, this customization gives you opportunity to use copyright-free songs on YouTube. When you use this copyright-free songs, I'm not going to give you any strike, okay? So let's come above here. Let's see what is up here. The first one, we've not checked that. Okay, that's actually our dashboard. You can see it's showing dashboard. Okay. So you can actually come to this place to upload your first video. Use this button here to upload your first video. can see the list of people that are subscribed to your channel. Can see this crate here, just tap on it. All these icons that are showing here, that their names are not showing, you can come above here, tap above here, so you'll be seeing the names. So you can see this is a dashboard. Click on content to see all your content, analytics, community, copyright, and customization, and then your audio library. Let's click on content. Let's see something. Click on this first one. So you can see. Now, once you click on content, it will add you to this place. If you click on content, click on any of the videos you've uploaded. For you to better optimize it, these are the settings you're going to put in place. Okay, you can see this is the title of this video. This is my description. You can see my description. You can see the hashtags I used. Hashtags that are searchable. Okay. This is your thumbnail where you can upload your thumbnail. So ensure you always set your video to not made for kids. The essence of coming to the Chrome dashboard section, following these processes so that you can be able to see all of these settings. If you download the YouTube Studio app on your phone, you may not be able to see all of these settings. Okay, so always ensure that your videos are not set to made for kids. If not, they're not going to run ad for it, and it's going to affect you in the long run. If you now come down to this side, you're going to see end screen, and you're going to see cards. Now, click on this end screen here. If you click on this end screen here, it's going to give you an opportunity to add more videos. Okay, let's say for instance, someone is watching your video and they want to see more of your video. This is where you can come to add more videos to your screen, so that by the time someone finishes watching your video, some of your videos will pop up. Instead of other people's video following up next, your video will pop up. So you just tap on it and then click on that plus sign. Click on playlists. This channel doesn't have a playlist yet, so I'm just going to still add a video. Okay. So you can see all these things are my recent videos. After you finish watching this particular video, these ones are going to show up. Okay, so this is what that is meant for. Click on save after every setting. Then click on cards. Now, cards are those pop-up that pops up on your video when someone is watching your video and you say, and you want to direct them to a particular video. You can come here to select the place you want that pop-up to appear. You can see the timing here. I can drag this, tap on this. I can drag it to any timing. I can decide to put it around the 6. Let's say, for instance, I'm talking about something around the 6 minutes of my video, and then I can decide to direct them to a particular video and say they should watch this video. And while I'm editing, I will ensure that I put it at that place I asked them to watch at the timing. Okay, if you don't understand, you can drop at the comment section. So for me to impute the video I'm directing them to, I'll just come here, click on video. And then I will select the video I want. I can select this platform here. So as they are watching, this platform is going to pop up. You can see once they are watching my video, once you get to that 6 minutes, the video is going to pop up. And after that, click on save. You can put as many videos as possible. Okay, but then the basic settings you should not forget to impute. You see your description, ensure you impute, you write your description very well, what your video is all about. So in this video, I've been able to show you how you can actually log in to do some basic settings on your YouTube channel, even if you do not have a laptop. You can do this with your phone, following the Chrome browser. You click on your Chrome browser, you input YouTube dashboard, and then it will bring you to this page. All you need to do is just go around and then input the various settings you want to do. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell for more tips. Bye.